Foodmate was established in 2012 with its factory located in Zhejiang, a scenic city in Jiangxi province, and its marketing center located in Shanghai, the economic center of China. Since its starting, Foodmate has been committed to developing and producing high-quality gelatin, collagen peptide, carrageenan, conjugal, collagen, functional animal protein, zero-calorie sugar substitutes, etc. It's a solution provider for fields such as nutrition and health, meat processing, baking and beverage. We aim to be a part of our partner's success in making the dream foods healthy and nutritious. We have established 2 R&D centers in Shanghai and Zhejiang City with advanced equipment and instruments. Foodmate brings together a lot of professional engineers dedicated to providing industry-leading products and application solutions for our customers. For every year, we invest 6% of our annual sales into R&D to ensure our clients and Foodmate in leading positions in competitive market. Currently, we have obtained multiple international certificates, including Halal, FDA, FSC 22000, ISO 9001, and HACCP, with an annual production capacity up to 18,000 tons. Foodmate products are now exported to over 60 countries, serving customers over 200 companies around the world. We warmly welcome you to visit our factory and experience the professionality and creativity of Foodmate. We look forward to collaborating with you to create a brighter future together.